What's wrong, mostly?
I have no idea. Hard to tell. Could be out of gas. Could actually be broken.
It's very dangerous.
Yeah, it's a bad place to be. Like right now, if they got out, they could safely push it right into that corner right there.
Right.
All
So you
right,
have
here.
to call the police officer to help, right? Oh my! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, scared me. Oh, too dangerous. Too dangerous. Oh my gosh.
Looks like he's okay.
Yeah, oh man. Scares me so much. But I guess he's still hurt.
Oh yeah, he's hurt. He's hurting. But he's gonna wake up tomorrow with all kinds of bruises. We've got it on tape. I wonder if I should pull it off the tape. I've never seen that before. I've never seen.
Oh, it scares.
I've never seen that before.
Oh.
Except on like video. I've never live watched that occur.
Oh, you should send the video to Steve.
Yeah, I should.
Oh, I'm scared so much.
Wow.
Oh my God. I think because the previous guy waved to us really distracted him.
Oh, I think he was just trying to be a hotshot. I think he was just trying to show off and be a.
Yeah, but it's
Gotcha.
distract the second guy.
I don't know. The second guy, he pulled the wheel up, and the front wheel kept going up, and he just.
Oh, just want to performance some
Yeah.
special, right?
I think so.
Oh.
And he just gave too much gas
Oh.
and too much power, and the wheel just kept coming over.
Oh, okay.